In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Excalidraw on Obsidian. Excalidraw is a powerful hand-drawn style whiteboard that lives right inside your notes, perfect for diagrams, mind maps, and sketching ideas without leaving your vault. We'll keep this simple and clear, and by the end you'll have the plugin installed and ready to use. Start by opening Obsidian on your computer and make sure you're in the vault where you want to add the plugin. If you use multiple vaults, the plugin settings are per vault, so install it in the one you'll be working in. Look toward the bottom left corner of the app and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where you manage everything from appearance to plugins. We'll head straight to the plugin area. In the left sidebar, find and click Community Plugins. This is the section for third-party plugins created by the community to extend Obsidian. It's different from core plugins, which ship with the app. Community plugins are extremely useful, and Obsidian will remind you to review and trust what you install. Always a good practice. Click Browse to open the Community Plugin Marketplace. This will bring up a searchable list of plugins along with ratings and descriptions so you can confirm you've got the right one. In the search bar, type Excalidraw. You should see the Excalidraw plugin appear with a description indicating it's for drawing within Obsidian. Double check the name and summary so you know you're selecting the correct plugin. Click Install. Obsidian will download the plugin and get it ready in your vault. Installation is usually quick, but give it a moment to complete before moving on. After it installs, click Enable. Installing adds the plugin to your vault. Enabling actually turns it on so its features are available. Once enabled, Excalidraw will integrate with your note-taking workflow, making it easy to create and manage drawings alongside your text notes. You'll also see an option to copy share link on the plugins page. This is handy if you want to share the exact plugin listing with teammates, save it to your notes for future reference, or revisit its documentation later. It's not required for setup, but it's useful for collaboration and quick access. That's it. Excalidraw is now installed and enabled in Obsidian. If anything doesn't appear right away, a quick restart of Obsidian or a brief check of your internet connection can help. Take a moment to explore the plugin's description for tips and updates, and you'll be sketching ideas directly inside your notes in no time.